as a performer and as an artist. But 35 and up, you have to be really prepared na when to step back.
Meron ka bang student na 35 pataas na excellent?
Meron. Oo, meron. Pag excellent talaga, pwede nang jump to performance or dance teacher. Pwede. Na nag-enroll. Meron kami ngayon, nag-open kami ng class exclusive or for them. Kasi ang hatak kasi ng G-Force talaga nasa mga Gen Z eh. Oo, so may mga kaedad natin papasok, no? Gusto lang sumayaw. We create a safe space. Hindi nyo mafe-feel na talagang tinitingnan kayo ng mga bata, ay, ba't ko siya kasabay? Pero, siya mismo yung nakaka-feel ng, ba't ako nandito? So, because of that, we created na lang adult classes. Especially for them. For 35 and up or 21 up. Teacher Sherwin, your classes, 21 up. Teacher Sherwin handles adult classes. Adult beginners hip-hop and also contemporary 18 up. So, yan yon. Para wala mga 8 years old nakasabay nyo. Tapos kasabay nyo, mas magaling pa sa inyo. Diba? Nakakasira ng ego.
So, there's no way around aging and dancing. Sabi mo lang na talagang it happens.
Pero no, but if you take care of yourself, walang problema. I can still dance, but there's acceptance na hindi ko na kaya yung ginagawa ko before.
So
but I can still dance.
I'm thinking that maybe if you had started earlier, you can still prolong.
You mean earlier in strengthening? Yeah, of course. That's why now I've been doing my therapy. Oo. Dapat by 35 pa lang, nagbubuhat na tayo, pin-build na natin yung muscles natin. Yan.
Do you think of classes na ino-offer na for a certain song lang na nag-trend? I ask that kasi minsan iniisip ko when I see them, pinag-warm up ba sila? Or do they know na pag ganyang movement, if you're not properly trained, it could hurt you?
Yes. Yeah. Oo. Importante talaga mag-warm up before doing choreographies. And the warm-up is designed, depende sa movements na ibibigay sa inyo. Kasi like, if you guys will dance jazz funk, of course, the warm-up will be longer. And it's more intense.
Kasi sometimes you don't notice it when you're young. Sadang lang agad.
Yes. Kaya, if you notice our floor, I'm very big on this eh. Kailangan talaga sprung floor para masuportahan yung lower back and knees. Kaya, importante, we're very big on our floor. Even the upcoming branches, kailangan sprung floor talaga. Kasi hindi pwedeng semento.
So do you frown on that or do you favor that or wala? Yung bang people just going to a class all of a sudden just because of a trend and then they don't know they might hurt
But you know, sometimes you can't avoid that eh. They just wanna dance. Like people who, yung mga sumasayaw sa streets, di ba? Kaya nga siya street dance eh. They can't really demand for good facilities like this. Kaya naman, since nandito kami, we provide the facilities for that. But, you know, I cannot like say na, huy, wag yung gawin yan because saan sila sasayaw? Di ba? Kasi okay dito.
Is there a TikTok trend that made you think, iba yun, ako mahirap yun in terms of dance. Meron ka bang dance na sumikat sa TikTok na nakita mo na, iba yun, ang hirap na?
Wala.
Baka picture yourself ka.
Just kidding. Hindi kasi pag nakikita ko yung mga anak ko, lalo na to si Jaja, ang dami ko na nakapila, Ja, I wanna learn this. Ja, I also want to learn this. And then BJ, your collab, I wanna learn this. Siya talaga, oo. Pero, bagal na bagal sila sa akin. Kaya yung pacing ng learning ng steps, ang bilis nila. Oo, iba na. So I need like more hours for that.
Speaking of that, kasi you have made a lot of signature moves popular, no? Kasi pag songwriting sinusulat, paano pag choreography, do you write the steps?
Do I write it?
Take videos?
She writes it in her brain.
O muscle memory?
Well, kasi iba na rin yung process, eh, over the years, iba na. Right now kasi, before it's always, you know, when I choreograph, it's always by feel, no? By feel. And then, thanks to all the phone cameras that I get to record myself, and then study it at home, and then you check, visually effective ba siya? Masarap siyang sayawin, pero masarap ba siyang panoorin? Is it visually effective? So, buti na lang may cellphone na. Imagine mo dati, paulit-ulit lang yung dancers ko kasi hindi pa ako happy sa movement. So, pagod talaga lahat. So, kumbaga, it's a...
May playback.
Yes, may playback. So, meron kaming na-document na. Before kasi, it's just all here and also muscle memory. So, again, this is how we use the technology. And I'm very happy, diba?
Sure, may say ka ba dun sa, for example, bago ituro ng mga teachers mo yung choreography, may touch ka muna or sineset mo?
When it is handed to a celebrity, especially if it's going to be a song of their own. Yes, that is our process. They submit, it's like an audition. Ang pinakahuli namin ginawa is Sugal by Maha. That's early this year. So 3 choreographers submitted, and then from there, it's like an audition. It's a checking work, and then may pumasa ba, and then when I need to hands-on, I will really hands-on. For that one, nag-hands-on ako.
So, paano bayaran? When you have that certain project.
Yeah. So, diba, kanina nahirapan akong sumagot sa'yo because, you know, we have the management to take care of that. Kaya tinatawag ko sila, hey, can you help me with this? Tapos magbabasa lang ako because we have a management who will take care of that. We have a finance team for that.
Teacher, kasi parang pag sinabi mo G-Force, talagang sikat kayo na humahandle ng mga celebrity na parang biglang boom, ang galing sumayaw. Sarah G,
Salamat.
Maha, Kim.
Yeah.
Pero
Pinakahuli yung na nag-hands-on ako. Niana's debut. Yeah. So, I haven't done it for a long time. I mean, after Sugal, I did Niana's debut. Interesting kasi, Gen Z, parang anak ko na kasi nga best friend ni BJ. So, and then she danced a different, style. And I really enjoy the process because I was working with the Gen Zs. The youthfulness is there. Yeah, so masaya yung proseso, and I'm very happy with the outcome, and a lot of people enjoyed the Niana's debut.
yeah, if you can share, teacher, ito bang mga celebrity na to, yung mga nabanggit kanina, like before na-touch sila ng G-Force, talaga bang ganun na sila kagaling sumayaw? Or talagang meron ding mga, if you can share, mga stories behind nung kanilang biglang ganun?
Yeah.
Yung journey nila.
Most of the artists, they need to dance in ASAP to promote their movies, to promote but there are some artists na talagang nilalagay for dancing. They have natural moves. My work is to bring out the best in them, extract what is natural movements for them, and create something that is designed for them. I will not hand them my movements.
Okay.
Para pilitin sa kanila. No, I don't, that's not our style. Our style is really to bring out the best in every artist.
Find a brand.
Yes.
And if you're going to look back, parang who among those celebrities ang parang nagmarka sa'yo when it comes to dancing nung tinuturuan niyo po sila?
Marami.
Top 3.
Oo. Top 3, ayan tayo.
Worst or best ba yun? Yung po bang top 3 nyo ay best dancer or worst dancer?
Na-maximize yung potential.
Ibang-iba na kasi ngayon. Alam mo, G-Force ang nag-handle na sa ASAP ngayon. This is a totally different generation. And imagine mo, mga anak ko na yun. Si Jaja na yung choreographer. So, anak ko na. So, ibang-iba na talaga yung generation. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question.